Okay, well, I warmed up the battery in my house and I just plugged it back in, so it's working. And I charged it in there too. Still didn't sound it up, I don't get it. So if I use this and a fully charged battery, I can probably start it. And this thing can start up to V8 engines, so. It should start. What? Oh shit. I didn't put that one in. Okay, I attached all of them, so now let's see if it works. Oh my god, dude. Like, what? Now let's try this. Okay. Like, what? Oh crap! Let's go! Look at that blizzard going on right now. Been letting this run for a while because I haven't ran it in about a month. Ever since last video, I haven't ran it because it wouldn't turn on. Okay, now we're good. I actually just went for a ride, but the GoPro turned off, so that's good. There's been so much snow. It's crazy. Okay. Like, look how deep these ruts are. Still making it through in two-wheel drive though. It's also so slippery. And look at the road right now, it just looks insane. Like, I would not want to drive my car on here. I can't see anything. Oh my God.
At this point, I'm just glad to be here. I did good with the cards I was dealt. One chance and I chose to take it.
I'm trying to not use my lights because I feel like it'll make my battery die. This goggles ain't doing nothing. Yeah, because there's a big hole in these goggles, I just realized. The radiator's hot, so that should warm up my battery so it doesn't die. Oh god. Oh, let's go this way. See how much snow there is. sorry about not making videos for like a month, but I haven't been able to turn this four-wheeler on. I even tried to jump it with the jump starter, but it wouldn't start. I had to bring the battery inside, charge it all the way, and then jump it to start it. That's how much I had to do. There's a lot of snow right here. Let's try two-wheel drive. Ooh. Yeah, I just hit ice at the bottom. Look at this shit though, like holy fucking, holy crap. I would never try to get up this. Like, oh my god. It's just so much snow. Oh no. Oof. Oh, I like driving this on the road more than my car. Right, like in the storm. 'Cause this is so bad. Where are the plow guys? How deep is this parking lot? I hope my GoPro's still recording. I'm gonna see if it is. Oh. Yeah, we're still recording. Wow, it looks a lot darker with my goggles on. I just thought that mailbox was somebody walking. Dude, I'd be surprised if some people don't make it up this hill. Here, let's just you know, go through town. Look at that trail. That's, yeah, wow. There's some guy just snowboarding. What else are you gonna do? Like, this is so bad. Like, this isn't even a road anymore. Like, there's no cars out here, there's nothing. Here. I always go on this road too when I go out. Normally there's like a trail right here. Yeah, here it is. Oof. I think it's blocked off though, that's the problem. Come on, turn. Yeah, it's deep. Yeah, look. What am I supposed to do? I can't fit there either. Oh no. Yeah, wow. It's a lot of snow. Just going through town right now. Running into snowbanks. Look, there's nobody out.